Hey y'all, Lindsey here with the final weekly Whimsy of the year. I'll be diving into the latest Web3 innovations that are shaping our world, so if you are ready, let's dive in. Let's kick things off with our amazing Discord community. We are now at 3,771 total members. If you haven't joined yet, you are missing out on some great conversations. Empowered by Pinata this week, I will be shining a light on Reality Plus. They're not just another tech company, they're at the forefront of blending innovation with imagination in the Web3 space. Reality Plus is guiding brands into uncharted digital territories, offering unparalleled experiences in the metaverse, NFTs, blockchain, and more. With their expertise, brands are not just engaging with their existing fan base, but also attracting global audiences. What sets them apart is their commitment to sustainability and their global reach, from the UK to Macedonia. Switching over to Web3 news, let's dive a little further into that Web3 vulnerability. On December 4th, a vulnerability was identified involving the integration of ERC 2771 and multi-call standards. This issue posed a significant risk, potentially allowing attackers to spoof transaction senders and misappropriate tokens. Although no exploits were reported, it was a close call, emphasizing the crucial need for simplicity and robust security and smart contract design. It's a wake-up call for the Web3 community to continuously scrutinize and improve security measures. For tips and tricks, we will be exploring IPFS as an archival solution to Farcaster. Farcaster's open data model, paired with IPFS, offers a revolutionary approach to data preservation in social media. Its network of storage hubs maintains copies of all network data, enabling the creation of independent or archival clients. This design not only supports an open data model, but also aligns perfectly with IPFS's decentralized ethos. It's a synergy that could redefine how we interact with and preserve social media content, making it more resilient and accessible than ever. If you're interested in seeing an archival solution built for this purpose, let me know down in the comments below. And that's it for 2023's final weekly Whimsy. If you've enjoyed what we've discussed, please hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. I would love for you to join our community. In the meantime, here's to staying curious and happy pinning until we meet again in 2024. Bye guys!